Hello, everyone. So I have received a lot of questions, doubts, queries, and comments about the TVM Premium. In this video, I'm going to answer the frequently asked questions about the content, frequency, subscription charges, etc. First thing, content. Uh, most of the uploads on this platform are going to be RC assignments with detailed video solutions. Please note that every RC drill will have 4 passages and around 18 questions in sync with CAT 2020 pattern. Okay. The second thing I'm going to post are some topical insights on verbal ability, reading comprehension, writing, and CAT prep in general. Tips and techniques will be shared on how to read effectively, think critically, solve different types of questions efficiently. Finally, as said earlier, I may also share analysis of some really good books, articles from a variety of subjects. This will be the content posted to the TVM Premium. The upload frequency will be 4 times a week, of which 3 will be RC drills. Again, please note, these are not 3 passages a week. These are 3 RC assignments or 3 RC drills, which means 12 passages a week, and 1 video on tips and techniques. So that will be the upload frequency. I hope that makes it clear now. The monthly subscription charge has been kept at $11.99. I have received some requests for alternative platform for payment because some people have not been able to use their cards. Probably YouTube only accepts international cards apparently. Some people simply find other ways of payment conveniently. That is the case. Please contact me through Telegram. This subscription to TVM Premium is ideal for aspirants who are self-preparing, those who are enrolled somewhere but not truly content with their VRC preparation, those who seek regular guided practice, those who are repeating CAT, those who do not get to practice enough with a mentor, or those who simply like my teaching style and think that they can improve with continued guidance. This is ideal for such candidates. Finally, some questions that I have been frequently asked in the Google form that I shared. Do I have to refer to any other sources for my CAT VRC preparation if I subscribe to TVM Premium? Guys, they say practice makes perfect, and that is the underlying philosophy of the platform. Though there is no upper limit on practice, TVM Premium, if religiously followed, should be enough for your VRC preparation. Besides, important concept tips and techniques will be regularly shared for you to understand question types better and approach them more intelligently. So I don't think you will need to refer to any other source for your VRC preparation, but what is the provision for doubt resolution? This is a question asked by many learners. Members will be able to post their doubts as comments on the videos. All the members will receive priority replies. They will also have a reasonable access to me through Telegram. So that's the provision for doubt resolution. I have received some weird questions as well. Will I be able to score 99.9x percentile after this course? Let me just say the answer to this question is cannot be determined. Score is a product of many variables: your background, your mental fertility, your sincerity, and the guidance you receive. I can only vouch for one of these variables, the last one. As far as the quality of training and guidance is concerned, only if the free content on this platform has been of any benefit to you should you consider subscribing for the premium. As far as the results are concerned, they should be measured in terms of improvement between now and then, rather than an arbitrarily set standard. Even if a learner presently scoring a 60th percentile gets to a 95th on CAT, That is tremendous improvement. So to answer this question, whether you will be able to score a 99.9x percentile, I would say I can vouch for one important variable, that is quality guidance. The rest is up to you. Will OMET questions be also posted? Yes, they will be, but in due course of time. At present, the focus will be on the common denominator in all management entrance exams, which is RC. Later, as we inch closer to the exams, OMET questions will also be posted. Finally, the question that has been asked by quite a few candidates, though many have happily accepted the price and they have already enrolled and they have already subscribed to the platform. Some are skeptical about the pricing. Isn't the subscription charge high? Yes, it is. And the reasons for the same are two. First, the quality of content. Those who have taken coaching from various institutes may already be able to compare the quality of teaching. The price point gives you enough value for money. Second, the subscription is meant only for those who are sincere about their careers, in particular MBA, and they're intelligent enough to think in terms of return on investment. Those who know that this amount is paltry in the bigger scheme of things. Those who know that education is an investment and not a discretionary expenditure. Those who are looking for freebies, those who are writing CAT as a backup plan, or those who cannot invest this little amount for the big goals that they have, should definitely not subscribe to this platform. So yes, this is for sincere and intelligent aspirants. Thank you very much. I hope that settles most of the doubts and queries around the TVM Premium. Also, let me make this thing clear again. There are no live classes involved. As of now, there's no plan of live classes. So pre-recorded videos will be uploaded to the platform because that makes learning flexible, and I find them most effective. Okay, how do I subscribe? On the homepage of the YouTube channel, The Verbal Mentor, you see this join button. You just have to click the button. It will take you to the payment platform automatically. Pay up the amount and you will become a member of the same. Thank you very much. Hope to see you on the other side soon. Cheers to learning.